Today we'll break down Oliver Pineda and Alien Ramirez social dancing, Salsa. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Oliver starts with the right and cross body lead offline, prepping with the left, turning on the right, and open, clearing the line, changing places and ending offline as a preparation for the crossbody lead 360. Stepping on the line, twist, open, and ending with an anchor to the back. Now watch it again and notice the styling. He does the top now. Then he continue, anchoring to the back for the swap. Stepping to the back, cross to the front, open, back on the line, and stays with his back to Alien Ramirez. Then half right turn, stepping to the side, rotates to the right, front, and then the left turn. Then he holds in place and does a special hook turn, using the heel toe technique, using his right heel and keeping both feet on the floor. Then he breaks to the back on 6 because they are dancing on 2, and then he starts the swap 360 offline, going around Alien Ramirez and staying offline, and continues with the offline crossbody lead with the hook turn. Now watch it again and notice his styling. He goes around Alien Ramirez, finishing the swap 360, then kicks on 5, tap on 6, and then continues with the offline crossbody lead with the hook. And now with the music. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.